Good morning, greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting. We're going to various Goodwills and see what treasures we can find. We are in Anaheim, California today at one of my favorite locations, and we're gonna head inside and check out what they have today. But if you guys love thrifting and you love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head to the store right now and check it out. Alright guys, let's look through the handbags really quickly. I was just here yesterday, so I still have a good memory of what was here yesterday. So I can kind of just quickly scan through everything and see what they have, if anything new popped up. So far, nothing really new. Oh my gosh, this is kind of cute. This is like a fun beach bag, right? What do you guys think? It is $4. How cute is this? I actually think I'm gonna send a picture of this to mom and see if she likes it. This is super cute. Always looking through the vases to see if there's anything. Well, look at those. Those two are popping at me. Those are pretty cool. What are these? Bath bombs? Oh, you know what? I didn't end up getting the bath bombs from yesterday because I was too lazy to pay just for them because I didn't see anything. Oh, time out. They had the fat little unicorn piggy banks. I think I want to get one of these. Look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Look at that pillow too. Okay, I think I'm gonna get one of these little fat unicorn piggy banks. I'm gonna grab a card though. Hold on, is that a unicycle? No, it's a regular bike. Okay. I almost had a heart attack because there was a unicycle. I've only ever seen a unicycle one other time, but it was very broken. Oh, the bomb bath scissors? What is this? Festive bath salts. Interesting. I wonder how these work. So while I'm walking on the way to grab a cart, hey, this is kind of cool. Crystal demi vase. On my way to grab a cart, I'm gonna look through all this other stuff too, so let's see what we can get ourselves into. So over at where the carts are, look what they have. This little Tykes, a wacky wash. Oh my gosh, what is this? It's only $13. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Check out, they also have this Black & Decker tool thing. This one's only 20 bucks. They also have this Melissa and Doug cleaning set. Here I am with my cart. Let me hold on to this unicorn for the time being. We have that. And I think I want to get these bath bombs right here. Okay, so I'm going to go with these because they're actually the same price per ball. I calculated it. Anyway, so I'm going to get this little set, plus the kids are going to have fun opening them. And then I also found these two Starbucks cups. Oh, this one has a hole. Or it's cracked, right? Yeah, that's cracked. Wonder if this other one's cracked. Oh, I was so sad. Or I'm so sad. I was so sad. I'm currently super sad. This one looks to be in good shape. They're half off, so they're gonna be $4 each. I don't know, we'll see. We'll ruminate. We're definitely not gonna get this one though because it's cracked. They also have some brushes, some SE nail polish, $8, makeup. Hey guys, guess what? I found a bunch more, so this is perfect. I'm gonna get this one for Zach because it's like an orangey red, and red's his favorite color. And check it out, I also found more of these Emma Pottery Barn plates. I don't know yet if I'm gonna get them. Probably not, because they're $3 each, and I think I already have enough for a complete place setting at the dining table. So I think I might actually just leave them. But I just grabbed them just so I can show you. Oh, what are these? Stop. These are cool. What's this? They're made of melamine too. So pretty. There's 2 of them. Is this that Pottery Barn one right here? I think it is. If it is, it's like, yeah, it is. It's like damaged. Alright, so I put those plates back, and I'm just perusing through the rest of the plate section. See what else we can find. How funny that says the kid's name, Owen.
When you go in the front, you ask.
Okay, I'm not even gonna say what I'm doing in the mug section right now, but you guys know already. You guys already know what I'm doing. I'm looking for Susie Cooper. Why are these kind of cute? Susie Cooper, you made a cute design mug or a cup, whatever. This Hearth and Hand cup is actually very nice as well. I'm very into this gold splatter. $1.99, brand new from Target. Not, oh, someone just broke something. I just heard it shatter into a million pieces. Did you guys hear it? Okay. Ooh, seashell shaped things. You guys know that I'm already in love with it. This is from Shoreline Collection Home Studio. Wow, from Kohl's, originally 30 bucks. Look at how pretty that is, you guys. $8. Should I get it? I have so many seashell platters, but I can just imagine like our giant seashell themed party that we're gonna have in the summer, and it's gonna be fantastic. Should I get it? It's not on sale. I'm gonna wait. Maybe it'll still be here when yellow goes on sale. I think I'm definitely gonna get those beautiful flower shaped platters, and they like the MSRP is $3 for them, which is crazy, and they're melamine, so they're not gonna shatter. Hopefully they shouldn't. But oh, they have more of these cups. There's that broken one that I found earlier. You guys, look how intense that is with the reindeer. Hey, check out this little thing. Is this like a drawer? What is this for? Don't know. You guys, I haven't found Lake Crusade in a while. I'm like on the hunt. Come on, Lake Crusade, pull through. We can find something. Let's see what we have here in like the wooden tchotchkes. The lighthouse. It's missing the top though, which is unfortunate. This looks like one of those charging docks. This one's from Brookstone. Is that a swan or a duck? Interesting. What's this thing? Dental organizer? Okay. Oh my gosh, this is like a little like... I don't know what that is. What is this? I have no clue. Is that a turkey? That's a turkey. Hey, a turkey. Ooh, a rocking horse. We got dragon bookends. It has a broken ear right there. What are these things called? Like trolley? No, I don't know I don't know how to say it. But like, use that for putting like grout and stuff or something, or I don't know. Something to do with something, right? This bowl is interesting. $2.99. This is also very interesting as well. Be bold or italic, never regular. Look at this Kipling bag, but it's like kpmgcampus.com. Oh my gosh, it's a train. Eliza doesn't need any more of these, but how cute. Let's look through the pillows and stuff. Captain America? $5.99. I know it's like a Marvel thing, right? I think it is Captain America. Tree skirts. Hey, check it out. I just found some Michael Kors flats. $6. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. It was so much fun. I got some really great stuff, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell button to be notified when the new videos do go up. And see you guys later. Alright, love you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so check out what I found over here. I was like, I didn't even know that I wasn't filming. I thought I was when I found these, but look at this fossil bag. It's really cute. I love the style of it. So I'm very excited about it. Down here looking at the rest of these bags. Milani.